A warm welcome back from the weekend, everyone. I am Bosin Omofaye, and this is your Money Moves Monday. Let's take with the East African region, where the Ethiopian Airlines today formally signed on the African Development Bank Group, or the AfDB, as the mandated lead arranger for the construction of a new multi-billion-dollar airport. Ethiopian Airlines is looking to raise about $7.8 billion from the global marketplace to construct a new Bisoftu International Airport, and that's some 40 kilometers south of the capital, Addis Ababa. When completed, the new airport will be the largest on the African continent. The Bisoftu Airport will have an initial capacity to handle 60 million passengers annually, and that will go up to 110 million passengers every year when it's in full capacity.
In Nigeria, the NGX-listed Oando Nigeria says its net profit stays at 63 billion naira in the 6 months of 2025, as in the first half of 2024. In its published earnings report, Oando reported a 15% dip in its top-line revenue at 1.72 trillion naira, while gross profit declined by 28%. Earlier today, the directors and shareholders of the energy trading firm met in Lagos for the consideration of the 2024 financial statements. Let's now take a listen.
We do need to switch from paying interest to banks to start paying dividends to shareholders, effectively swapping bank debts for equity, which we intend to do over the next few months. We have a very aggressive program to do this, and we have asked shareholders for approval to convert up to $300 million of our current $875 million of reserve-based lending into equity.
Finally, in Egypt, the country's annual urban inflation reportedly slowed to 13.9% in July from 14.9% in June. According to Statistics Office, monthly inflation fell to 0.6% in the North Africa's biggest economy last month. The decline was driven lower by food costs, with meat and poultry index down 4.9%, fruit prices fell off 11%, and vegetable prices fell 7%.
Let me walk you through the commodities space for today, and oil prices is in very big focus, with all eyes on the planned meeting between President Trump and President Putin of Russia later this week in Alaska. Of course, no one is not sure whether the Ukrainian President Zelensky will be attending. For now, at least it's confirmed that both President Putin and Trump will be attending that meeting. The whole idea is to secure at least a minimum of 30 days ceasefire from Russia or from its bombardments against Ukraine. That's what President Trump wants to see happen. If that deal is struck somewhat, then analysts are concerned, traders are also concerned that there could be further supply of oil out of Russia. That means sanctions could be lifted on Russia by President Trump, and that means more oil will come to the market. So the market, oil prices sort of decelerated over the weekend on the outlook, but prices started revving up today at about 12:39 GMT. The Brent was trading roughly $67 a barrel. It's causing the US WTI trading 64.25 around 12:39 GMT. Today, Monday, the 11th of August. And that's about it on our markets round and our news now. Everything together in your Money Moves. From all of us here at the FMDQ Securities Exchange Trading Floor, we thank you for watching. We'll see you again tomorrow.